Hindi niyo rin ba minsan nararamdaman na parang wala ka na sa sarili mo? You're here, yes, you're functioning, pero parang wala ka talaga. Just floating, existing, doing things kasi kailangan. Pero deep inside, you feel numb. That there are days when everything feels like a blur. You wake up, you go through your routine, smile kahit wala sa loob mo. Pero parang autopilot. You need to do it because you're used in doing it. No real joy, no real presence. You felt out of touch. Parang, saan na ba ako sa life ko? And then, you will end up asking yourself, am I really living or I'm just surviving? Nakakapagod, di ba? Yung tipong you're surrounded by people, pero pakiramdam mo, you're alone. You keep on showing up, pero parang nafe-feel mo na wala namang nakakakita sa'yo. Pero alam mo, if you're feeling this right now, you are not broken. You are not weak. And you're definitely not alone. Sometimes, life just gets too heavy. And minsan, you've been strong for too long na hindi mo namamalayan na nauubos ka na pala. So, if no one asks you today, kamusta ka na ba talaga? Not the okay lang version. Yung totoo, yung hindi mo kailangang i-filter. If you're still waking up, you're still trying, you're still hoping, okay na yun. That says a lot about your strength. But slow down if you need to. You need to pause. You need to breathe. You're allowed to feel it. You are allowed to rest. And more than anything, when you're ready, you are allowed to come back to yourself.